Today I will install IP Dahua camera. I use a phone. First install the Items app. Select United States. Camera. Menu. Device Manager. Tap the plus icon on the right to add camera. Wi-Fi device. Wi-Fi config. Manually enter SN. You find this information behind the device. Enter the correct information. Connect the camera to internet via Wi-Fi. This is Wi-Fi router. Note when installing, need to put the camera and Wi-Fi router close together. Enter the correct Wi-Fi password. Wait a minute. Added successfully. Give the camera a name to remember. Set password protection. Finally, try the results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.